Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is Audi A5 Sportback. One owner only, and the condition of this unit is absolutely immaculate. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this beauty. Simply wow. I'm absolutely in love with design. In my opinion, this is the best generation of Audi A5, and I'm sure many of you will agree. Just look at the body lines on this car. So beautiful. Look at the side profile, the Sportback design. Super sexy. Comes with very nice 18-inch rims. Look at the condition, guys. Macham just out from showroom, wrapped in Pirelli tires as well. This is a S-line spec, so comes with a nice body kit, dual exhaust exit. And now let's check out the boot space. Of course, the boot is fully electric, and frankly, quite a big space to put all your belongings. Also comes with very nice rubber mats for you. Now let's close this. Yes, this car also comes with very sexy frameless windows. Now behind, plenty of room for your rear passenger. The leather condition is superb. Also comes with rear passenger aircon with its own controls as well as a charging port. And now let's go in. All right, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. I'm absolutely in love with this cabin, guys. Firstly, the steering wheel, super nice to hold. It's flat bottom, it's full leather, it is curved, it's got pedal shifters, multifunctional. Such a pleasure to steer this car, seriously. Very nice and sporty, fully digital speedometer cluster. This is your infotainment screen. Aircon controls are here, very simple and intuitive. I also like how they inbuilt the display inside the turning knob. Very cool, very nice. We have subtle ambient light here on the door. It's a little bit too bright, maybe, but I'll show you here. And even inside your cup holder, very nice, very stylish. Your gear selector is here, nice and traditional, very comfortable. Here you put your elbow, very nice, and here you put your hand, very nice. This is controller for your infotainment, electric parking brake, and auto hold function as well. Your start and stop button is over here. Also, I like this position. Another thing I really love about this car is fully blacked out roof liner. Always like this in cars, makes it all very nice and very premium. Of course, both seats are fully electric as well, and driver side even comes with memory settings also. Alright guys, well, have another look. I love Audi, guys, and A5 is one of my favorites, and this particular unit is just on COE. We still have 3 years, 4 months left, plenty of time for you to enjoy. And the drive, guys, the drive, I don't know how to describe it. It is just super amazing. All right, viewing is available daily in our showroom. Come and check it out. You all know what to do. Call me and I'll give you a good deal.